Hello everyone, it's Johnny back again. Thank you all for joining me. I thought for today, they just announced another lockdown in the gray zone now. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some time just to relax. Let go of the stress and the fear, the uncertainty, the frustration, disappointment, helplessness, all those heavy emotions. We're going to let go of all of that collectively. And we're going to replace that with calmness and peace and hope and faith and optimism and love. It's very important that we do this for ourselves, for each other, for our friends or family or community, for the province, for the country, and for the world. So just take some time with me today just to close your eyes, please. Just bury your heads. Take some nice deep breaths. Trying to breathe in some optimism and let go of everything else. Breathing in that hope and letting go of the despair. Breathing in love and light and releasing the fear and frustration. And just focus on your breath, trying to remain at peace and calm. Or I call upon our highest spirit guides to join us, our ancestors, the ascended masters, all to be with us now. And just let their gentle energy wash over you. And take this time just to open up your hands and let go. Let go of any heavy thoughts, any heavy emotions in regards to the virus. This is your time to gather up all those thoughts and feelings that we talked about. Just gather them all up. Put them together in a great big ball. And then just take this heavy negative ball of energy and let it go. Give it to your angels to take care of. Imagine them coming in and flying all that concern out of the scene, out of the picture, back up to heaven, back up to love and light. And just feel that release and allow yourself to feel that release. It can be as simple as that. Just let go of the concern, let go of the fear. No more uncertainty. Hand it all over to the angels. Keep taking your time. If there's any other thoughts or emotions that you need to let go of, just take your time. Gather them all up into a ball of heavy negative energy and give them to your angels to take care of once and for all, to release it from you. Take your time getting rid of all of that. No need for that, no room for that, no place for that. We're going to fill all this space up now with hope, with faith, with love and with light, with healing energy, with the knowing that all is well, that all is in divine order, that everything happens for our greater good, our greatest good, for us individually, collectively. We will get through this. We are getting through this, and we will get through this. And this is just a temporary situation that we're going through. We're facing the fears, and we're choosing to stay in love. And that is what we are here to do. Stay in love. Stay in light. Stay in faith. Stay in the knowing that we are safe, that all is well. It's all part of the divine plan for our collective growth. We are eternal spiritual beings. We are learning and we are growing. And collectively we are choosing to stand in the face of fear and to choose love. And together we are lifting up that fear, transmuting it back to love and back to light, back to this new world. We are creating a new world. We're not going back to normal. We want to create something even better than it was before all this. So take this time, visualizing your guides and angels sending you healing energy. Imagine seeing their golden light coming in. We're going to call on the healing energies of Reiki and Shambhala, Ho'oponopono and Shaktipat, all different powerful energies that will help us to bring peace to this entire situation, to help us connect with the natural elements within ourselves and around us, to help us stay in peace and light, and to help us transmute any doubt and any fear, anything, back to love and light, back to its original source. Just allow this healing energy to come in. Imagine it gathering all around you, all different light, all different shapes and patterns and forms, but all of them bringing the healing energy you need, your family needs, our community needs, and our world needs. Spring is on the way. The sun is coming. Know that brighter days lay ahead. The brightest days lay ahead. And now is the time just to shine our own light in the meantime. To know that we are the light. We bring the light. We can and we will. And that is our job, our mission, our collective mission. To receive the light and to be the light. And to hold the light. And to share the light. Feel those shivers of truth rolling all over your body. That energy, and just fill yourself up with it. And affirm to yourself that you are safe, that you are healthy, that you're choosing to stay in peace and love and light. And this is all just temporary. And the only thing that is eternal is love, our eternal spiritual flame, our eternal spiritual being, our natural form of love. Only love is real. You know it to be true. Love is always enough. Love always finds a way. You know it to be true. Gather up all that energy, people. Slowly take your time gathering up all that energy, packing it into your physical bodies, getting ready to come back to this time and this place. Slowly take your time, starting to move around, getting ready to open your eyes very slowly, only when you're ready. And know that we are safe, we are love, we are light, and we are holding the light for the world. Keep shining, everyone, knowing the best is yet to come.